So we were looking at the All Trails app, and there's supposed to be a bunch of trails over here at Wesleyan College. And the one that they're particularly talking about is not the one we're about to start, but this one is called Pierce Entrance. So we're going to check this one out and see how it goes. I think we've got a map here. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that. We seem to be destined for bunny trails here recently. This trail is still better than the last one we were on, though. You can still walk and not be in the foliage. And of course, one of the fun things I do like to point out on some of these trails is they do have seating. So if you need to sit down and take a break, we have found a seat. And like I was talking about, there's lots of different trails back up in here. And so we've come to our first little spot, and we're just going to take a right and go to the cabin and pavilion and see what happens when we get there. So far the trail has been really nice. It's pretty flat. There's a few little roots and things that you need to kind of navigate, but it's been a pretty good trail. It's quiet at the moment. We have seen a lot of people walking through here, so I would imagine it is a heavily populated trail, but so far it's been nice and quiet for us. As I was saying earlier, on the All Trails app, one of the people that had commented was that the actual Wesleyan Loop trail they were talking about wasn't the only trail that was back up in this area. And so we're actually on the different trails than the actual All Trails app. But pretty much the trail has been very well marked so far, so we haven't had any struggles. These paths are much wider. We were on a narrower path earlier, but now we've picked up a wider path, so they have some different path widths throughout this trail as well. So see, it is okay to bring dogs on this trail. She has them leashed though, so that's always a good. Okay, so we just had a sign that said that we're now on the inner loop trail, so there is some signage. You just kind of have to be watchful and keep an eye out for the signs and where you're going. But otherwise, just enjoy So we have the cross trail, natural playground, inner loop trail, and Matthews athletic. We are still on the inner loop trail right now. Well, we came down the path to see what they were calling the natural playground, but I think that there's been some storms or some damage because there's not a whole lot going on down here. Who needs background music when you can hear all the birds? So again, you're just walking along one of the different paths that are along here, and all of a sudden you just pop out of the woods and you're beside this lovely little creek. And they have a nice little bench for you to sit on right here, but you're just walking along. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so we just finished the Wesleyan Loop. I would say that this is probably just a network of trails that's behind the Wesleyan College. The All Trails app actually calls it a Wesleyan Loop, but that's just the kind of outer rim of them. There's lots of little trails that go in and around it, and there's a great little map that they have at one of the entrances. This trail was really, really nice. We enjoyed it. It was very flat. All Trails said it was easy and it was really nice. Not too populated. We did see more people than we usually see, but anyway, hope you liked this video. Give me a like and a big old thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next trail.